This is the rear cushion back seat cleanup. Now these are all covered with plastic, and in the day, back in the 60s, people did that all the time with their interiors. They would cover it with plastic, and of course over time, look at how it is. This is of course dirty. It does look like they are too bad underneath the plastic. And over here is the rear seat, same thing. Cracked open, you can see a little bit of the cloth insert. So we'll see how they clean up. I'm going to get new interior, but until then, I'm going to put them back in the car. Here we have the rear seat back. Look at how nice that cloth still looks. And it even looks like it's still got armor on it. I still have to clean it up a little bit. Over here is the bottom. Not too great a shape, but I'll just clean it up, put it in the back, and then I'll take a video of it when it's in the back of the car. I installed some of the old interior, some of it a little ratty, but some of it's really nice. So here's what I've put in the interior. The driver's seat's all beat up. Passenger seat's pretty good. Got the steel dash form in there. And over here, we got the rear seat and components in. They cleaned up really nice. This is unusual interior with the black and gray cloth inserts. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. We're going to have many more episodes of the restoration of this. I call this the Red Bird, actually. The one in the back over there that I'm using as spares, I call the Bird. But anyways, and hit the notification. Like I say, there's going to be several episodes, so if you subscribe, you'll know when I post more videos. Have a nice day.